Hello, Akwan. Hello, Akwan.
Good afternoon, my lord.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. How are you?
Yeah, good afternoon, my lord.
Good afternoon, Akwan. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Well done. Where's
Thank you.
Falabi?
It's fine, man.
All right.
Yes.
Good afternoon, counselor. How are you? Yes, call the first case, Akwan.
Yes, my lord. To resume today, 25th March 2026, before His Lordship, Honorable Justice R.H. Gwandu presiding. In suit number NICN/LA/171/2024 between Mr. Clement Udo and from Macedo Nigeria Limited. My lord, the matter is for ruling. Are parties in court? Is
Parties are
Clement in
absent.
court? Okay. No parties are absent.
And this is absent. What about the
Yes, my
council
lord.
representing them?
Yes, my lord, counsel is present.
All right, please, can I have your appearances? Please, may
May
I have your appearances?
I please your lordship?
Uh-huh.
My name is Ifeanyi Ezechukwu.
All right.
My lord, appearing with me is Ebenezer Ogunwole.
Okay.
Our appearance is for the defendant, my lord.
All right.
We are most grateful.
What about the claimant's counsel? They are not here.
I'm not quite sure, my lord. I saw a lady who I thought was for the claimant.
My lord, sir.
You saw her and you did not say hello to her for you to know who she is.
You know, somebody is trying to speak.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. I'm for the claimants. My name is
All
V.
right. May I have your appearance?
Very well, my lord. V O initials Oshiobo.
Okay.
I appear for the claimants, my lord.
Okay. This matter is for ruling. Just give me a minute.
Looking off camera.
What did you say, Williams?
No,
All
it's not
right.
for the government.
All right. It's okay. In the National Industrial Court of Nigeria, in the Lagos Judicial Division, holding today, the 25th day of March 2026, in suit number LA/171/2024, between Mr. Clement Udo, the claimant respondent, and Promasido Nigeria Limited, the defendant applicant. Now, let's just quickly go to the decision part, the very short ruling. Having gone through the process filed and had the submission of counsel on the issues involved. On the first issue objected to by the defendant applicant, being that the claimant's case is premature and incompetent, owing to the failure of the claimant to A. State the source of his claim for gratuity, i.e., his letter of appointment, B. Issue a letter of demand to the defendant company for the alleged gratuity before bringing the instant suit, and C. Attach same to its originating process as required by Order 3, Rule 12, the National Industrial Code of Nigeria Rules 2017. The claimant has stated in his statement of facts that he worked for the defendant, that he resigned from the said employment, that he worked for the defendant for more than 3 years, which is the benchmark for payment of gratuity, and it has not been paid since he resigned from the defendant's employment. This set of facts show that the claimant has a valid and reasonable cause of action in this matter against the defendant. It only remains that same be proved by cogent and compelling evidence. In Daily Times of Nigeria and others against DSV Limited, 2013, it was held that a cause of action is defined as every fact that will be necessary for a plaintiff to prove, if traversed in order to support his right to the judgment of the court. Reasonable cause of action, on the other hand, is simply a cause of action with the chance of success. The claimant respondent has satisfied the court that his course of action has a reasonable chance of succeeding. The defendant's application stating that documents were not pleaded is premature, as it intends the court to hear and determine facts before the substantive suit is heard and determined. The appellate courts have held that the cautionary view that where an interlocutory matter touches on the substantive issue in a case, the court below is to take care not to rule on same where it will affect the substantive matter. See Fidelis Mustafa and Alhaji Abdul Mumin Mohammed and another 2012 and Adamu and AG Nasarawa State 2007. As for the claimant's failure to issue a demand letter, the applicant has not shown the court where or if there is a pre-action requirement that precludes the claimant from filing this suit and claiming the relief she seeks against the defendant. The applicant must prove to the court before he can be granted such an application. From the totality of evidence and arguments, there is no cogent reason as to why the court should strike out the claimant's suit. Also, I have perused the documents filed in the court's file. The exhibits sought to be relied on by the claimant have been duly marked as stipulated by the practice direction relied on by the applicant. Counsel should have done his due diligence before raising such an issue in the application so sought. From the issues raised by the applicant, it is clear that this objection is nothing but a mere technicality. Aimed at wasting the court's time, I hereby refuse the applicant's prayer and dismiss same. This is my ruling and I enter it accordingly.
As the court pleases. My
As the
lord,
court pleases.
we are most
Yes,
grateful.
gentlemen. So we'll just take a day
Yes, my
and
lord.
see that we bring it to a conclusion. Since all issues have been joined.
My lord, sir.
Yes.
In view of the ruling of the court, my lord, and
Yes.
the law is right that cause follows events, my lord, and then we had to
Mm-hmm.
in response to this application, and it also cost us
Mm.
some time. We had to come to the court several times in respect of this application. In view
Mm.
of this, my lord, we are asking for cost in the sum of 200,000 naira.
What will happen about the issue of that cost? Because the court was on a medical leave for some time, so I don't know whether it falls within that ambit. Williams, I want you to find out everything that transpired and give me a briefing. And then on the next adjourned date, remind me about this, your request for the cost, and then we'll see what we are going to do about it.
My lord,
Mm-hmm.
yes, my lord, we are most grateful for the court's ruling. However, we also want to give a response to the application for cost, my lord. My lord,
It's not
the law,
necessary. Let's leave it till then.
as the court pleases.
Let's shelve this idea about the cost. Let's talk about it. I'm not dismissing it or ignoring it, but I want to be briefed by my staff. This is a virtual trial.
As the court pleases.
Yeah, so let me be briefed, and then we will know how to go about it.
As the court pleases.
Because justice must be seen to have been done at all times.
Very well, my lord.
All right. Thank you very much, gentlemen. So, Akpan, give us a date.
My lord,
June
move
10,
for a date for
Yes,
trial.
dear.
A
A
date
date
for
for
of
trial.
trial.
June.
Yes. Mm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my lord. 10th of June. It's a Wednesday.
Is that okay?
My lord, it's convenient on our part.
10th of June is convenient to us, my lord.
A
My
God
lord,
spare our
10th
life
of June.
beyond that. All right. Well,
As the court
very well
pleases.
then. This matter is adjourned for a trial on the 10th day of June, 2026.
As the
Stop,
court pleases.
please.
As the court
Uh-huh.
pleases.
All right. Call the next case, Akpan.
So number NICL/LA/37/2024 between Mr. Osai Augustine and one Inner Ring Engineering and Logistics Services Limited, Neri Support Services Limited, Cardinal Drilling Services Limited, Surplus Energy PLC, Development Company PLC, sorry. My lord, the matter is for report of settlements / trial.
All right. Yes. Yes, any counsel present?
Parties in court.
Good afternoon, my lord.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Very well, my lord. My lord, we're for the fourth defendant. It appears that the fourth defendant's representative has not been able to join in yet.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. I don't know if the claimant is here to announce his appearance before we proceed.
Akbar, please confirm that to me.
It's like somebody was trying to speak, but it's like it has opted out.
You can start the
All right.
matter down. Proceed to the
Okay,
next.
let's
Let's
step down
proceed
the
to
matter and move
let's
to
step
the
it
next one.
down. Yes, my lord.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So number NICN/LA/51/2024 between Mr. Anselm Ikechukwu and One City Trust Holding PLC and City Trust Capital Management Limited. Lord, the matter is for report of service.
All right. Anybody around?
Lord, my name is
Yeah. Yes.
Umar. My Lord, I appeal for the claimant.
Okay.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, the matter is for report of settlement.
Please.
All right.
Yes, my Lord. And as directed by this honorable court, we did comply with the court directive by effecting service of the hearing notice as directed by the court on the defendants by substituted means. My Lord, the proof is before this honorable court.
Okay. So I'm listening.
So yes, in the circumstance, my Lord, we will be asking for a date for definite hearing, my Lord.
All right, Akbar, find a date for them.
May 12th. 12th of May.
12th of
12th.
May.
Yeah, it's a
Yes.
Tuesday.
12th of May is convenient, my Lord. My Lord, 12th of May is convenient. My Lord, may we also direct that we effect a service of hearing notice through substituted means on them again, just for benefit of doubt, so that they won't say they were not aware of the hearing, my Lord. Although we cannot compel them to come to court and defend, but as counsel, we can only do our responsibility by notifying them of the proceedings, my Lord.
All right. So, Akbar, have you found a date for them?
Yes, May 12th, my lord.
1st May is
Okay.
convenient.
12,
All
1,
right.
2.
Okay, this matter is adjourned to the 12th day of May, 2026 for trial.
Yes, my
As
lord.
the court, please.
All right.
A lot hearing notice
Yes.
by pasting, my
Hearing
lord.
notice is ordered to be served on the other side, and the proof to
By
be filed
pasting.
in the registry.
Yes, my lord.
The court, please.
All right. Call the next case.
So number NICN/LA/30/2026 between Balahan Olagboni Daniel and One Cavista Holding Limited and Agbeyewa Farms Limited. Lord, the matter is for mention.
Mm-hmm.
Agbeyewa.
Yes.
Present, my lord.
Yes.
Are the parties around?
Yes, my lord. This is the claimant, sir.
My lord,
All
the
right.
claimant is in case.
Okay, where are the counsel of both
Only
sides?
defense.
With utmost respect to this honorable court, my name is Adeni Aderogba. My lord, my humble appearance is for the claimant, sir.
Yes, Mr. Adeni, how are you?
I'm fine, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
All right. Yes, who is on the other side?
Respectfully, my lord, Uchechi Ufomba for the defendants, for the first and second defendants.
All right. Okay, yes, I'm listening.
Yes. Thank you, my lord. My lord, this matter is coming up before your lordship for the very first time. On
Okay.
the 10th of February 2026, the defendant were served with the claimant processes. By the rules of this honorable court, the defendants have 14 days to enter appearance and file their defense. My lord, it's exactly 30 days now that the defendants are out of time to file their memorandum of appearance and defense. So,
Yes.
in the premise, my lord, may I humbly invoke the provisions of Order 35, Rule 6.2 of the rules of this honorable court,
Order
sir.
35 will what?
Order 35, Rule 6, Sub Rule 2, sir. Order 35,
Okay.
Rule 6, Sub Rule 2 of the rules of this honorable
What
court.
is it about?
My lord, it talks about the where there is default in pleadings that the claimant can apply for a trial date. So I just rely on the provisions, sir. I most humbly, sir.
Have they filed whatever they have?
Well, my lord, the rules of this honorable court are not for the fun of it. They were served since 10th of February. They had up to 24th of February, sir, to file their defense. Today is 25th of March. Not even a memorandum of appearance has been filed. The law is set to that court cannot wait for litigants. The rules of court are meant to be obeyed. It's not for the fun of it. If your lordship gives us a date, if they feel that they have a defense to the matter, they can file before then, sir.
Yes, Uchechi, what do you have to tell me?
My lord, yes, from the process before me, I see that it was, I don't know when they were served, but I see that it was filed in February. However, my lord, we were just briefed yesterday. My office was just briefed yesterday. So we intend to study the writ and then respond, my lord.
I agree with that. Since you have been briefed yesterday, but the bottom line is how to bring this matter to a conclusive end. You can't keep your dragging your feet, but the court has taken judicial notice of this about the defendants, and then we will see how you are going to play.
Very well, my lord.
Mr. Adeni.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I'm
going to give them a short adjournment.
I'm grateful,
I'm going
sir.
to give them a short adjournment to respond.
As a courtesy, sir. As a
As the
courtesy.
court pleases.
You know, I will give them a short adjournment. Akwan,
My lord.
plan a time before the end of April so that we make sure everybody is on course.
Yes, my lord. April 21.
It's convenient, sir.
Convenient, my lord.
Okay, fair enough. This matter is adjourned to the April 21st, 2026 for further mention.
As a
As
court
pleases.
I'm grateful to the honorable court.
I'm at 21, April 21.
Yes.
For the mention. Lord, I don't know whether the numbers two matters are whether they are ready. Osai Augustine and inner ring engineering.
Find out.
Are the parties ready?
First defendants are ready.
What about the claimant's counsel? Let's proceed. Let's proceed, my lord.
Proceed with them. I don't think claimants can respond.
Okay, we should proceed, Harry. Okay, please, you can go on with your appearance.
Very well. May it please this honorable court, Temilade Adepate, appearing with Risi Taiwo. My lord, Risi is spelled R-I-S-S-Y, Risi, then Taiwo. And we announce our appearance for the fourth defendant, my lord.
You said come again. The line went off at this end.
May it please this honorable court, Temilade Adepate, appearing with Risi Taiwo. My lord, Risi is spelled
Temilade, will you remove your
R-I-S-S-Y.
glasses?
Very well,
Are
my
your
lord.
glasses medicated?
Yes, they are medicated, my lord.
Are they medicated?
Yes, my
Huh?
lord. Yes,
Okay,
my
put
lord.
them back on. Put them
Very
back
well.
on.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes. They're
Temilade
medicated, but they look very
Adepate.
funky. Yes.
Yes, my lord. With Risi Taiwo
All right.
for the fourth defendant, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the matter is slated today for report of settlements. This is the first time that the matter is coming up since we were referred to the mediation center of the National Industrial Court. However,
So are
parties,
you going to tell me that you've not settled?
we were unable to settle, my lord. That's why the matter was referred to court for further directions by your lordship, my lord.
Well, no problem. We'll have to go for trial.
Yes, very well, my lord. My lord, we're not opposed to a trial date.
All right. I'm going to give them a date.
10th of June.
Sorry, did you say 10th of June?
Yes, June 10.
My lord, June 10th is convenient. However, my lord, I wanted to clarify a directive that your lordship had given at one of the proceedings. At the proceedings, your lordship had ordered that the claimant should serve the originating processes on the third defendant by way of pasting at their last known address. So I don't know if this directive has been complied with by the claimant, since he's not here to confirm.
Have they complied with that, Akwan? Hello?
I can hear you, my lord. I think
Hello?
the registrar's. I can hear you, my lord. I think the registrar's network is frozen.
That's a challenge. Hello?
I don't think it's back, my lord.
I'm coming. Just a moment.
Very well.
That's correct.
Are you back?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord, we're back.
Oh, I'm looking for you. Yes, give us a date.
Now we have adjourned the matter to 10th of June for trial.
All right.
Yes, my
my
lord, I
lord,
was
Can you
raising the issue
confirm
of
to me
service, my
whether
lord.
the service that was asked to be pasted at the third defendant's place has it been complied with?
My lord, they just came back from ADR. There was no other further directives, my
it was
lord.
an order the last date.
There was it.
It was an order the last date.
First thing.
My lord, we'll
It
have to go
was
through the file to ascertain that, but I
Okay,
think
no
it was
problem. We can
complied
do
with.
that with them later.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
my lord.
very well, my lord.
Mm-hmm.
My lord, sincere apologies. The fourth defendant's representative is already in the meeting. He came in a few minutes ago, my lord.
All right, no problem.
Very well, my
You are
lord.
here. That's the most important part.
Thank you, my lord.
All right. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Have a nice day.
And you too, my lord.
Yes, you too. Call the next case, Akpan.
So number NICN/LA/2M/2024 between Vincent Bashata and Cavista Holdings Limited. Sorry, my lord. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
my lord. Sorry, my lord. So number NICN/LA/2M/2024 between Vincent Vasheta and Sinomi International Engineering Company Limited. My lord, it's a motion.
All right. I'm listening. Are the parties around?
Lord, we are not
I
seeing
don't think there's anybody in this matter.
Nobody there?
we are not seeing any appearance. Temilade.
All right. Give them a hearing notice
Yes, my lord.
on both sides. Yes. Mm-hmm. Call the next case.
So number NICN/LA/42M/2025 between one and Nwobulu and 11 others and Fidelity Bank PLC. My lord is for motion.
Okay. Yes. Are the parties present?
I have not seen any appearance here.
Any counsel? So give them a hearing notice, Akpan,
Yes, my lord.
on both sides and file it accordingly.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, call the next case, please.
So number NICN/LA/189/2024 between Otuaga Onome and Lapo Microfinance Bank Limited. A lot is for trial.
All
Are
right.
parties in court?
Parties are absent, my lord.
A lot of parties are absent.
All right.
May it please
Yes,
this honor-
counsel.
May it please this honorable court, Justina Obriko. My appearance is for the claimant, my lord.
All right, Justina. You're welcome. Yes, counsel.
With profound respect to this honorable court, sir, I am
Yes, please.
J.N. Ihaza. J.N. Ihaza.
Yes, Mr. Haza.
My appearance is for the defendant, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.
Most grateful, sir.
Mm-hmm.
My lord, this matter is slated for trial.
Mm-hmm.
However, we sincerely apologize for the absence of the witness. This is also due to the fact that it wasn't notified earlier of the virtual hearing, and effort to even reach him since morning is futile. He could have joined now, but I have not been able to reach him since yesterday. I am not. I got to be aware of the virtual hearing this morning, my lord. We sincerely apologize for the absence of the witness, and that is why the trial is not going on. However, my lord, we have applications before this honorable court to regularize our pleadings. We've filed
All right. How many applications do you have?
just one, my lord. Application
All
for
right. It's for regularization.
yes, my lord.
Yes, it has. Do you have any objections to that?
Not at all, sir. Well, we also have an
Okay.
application. We also have an
Justina, move on
application.
terms.
As court pleases. We
I say
move
you
in
move on
terms
terms of your application.
as the court pleases. We move in terms of the application dated 24th June 2025 and filed on the same date, my lord.
No problem. It's granted as prayed.
As court pleases.
Well, we also have
Okay.
we also have an application, sir, to regularize
Yeah.
our of defense.
Yes. I suppose you two are not objecting to that, are you?
No,
No,
we are
my
not. Okay.
Okay. So move on terms, Mr. Ihaza.
Yes, sir. We move in terms of application dated and filed on the 3rd of September 2025. And we urge the Honorable
Okay, it's
Court.
granted as prayed.
Most grateful, sir.
Okay, what else again? Any housekeeping application?
I think we
None,
are
my
home and
lord.
we are home and dry.
Well, man, good. So we are going to adjourn for the trial.
Very well,
Very well,
sir.
my
How many witnesses do you have,
Yes,
Justina?
my lord.
just one, my lord.
Okay, what about you, Mr. Haza?
Just one witness, sir.
Okay, can you bring them the same day so that we have a conclusive trial on that day?
We will do so, sir.
We will liaise
That
with
will
the
be
registrar.
best. Yes,
Yes,
it
sir.
will shorten the time.
Very well, sir.
Yes, Akwan, give us the date.
11th of June.
It's convenient, my lord.
June 11 is convenient, sir.
My lord, 11th of June. It is Sunday. It was Thursday.
Akwan,
My lord,
give us the date.
11th of June, my lord. And as they say, it's convenient.
Okay, fair enough.
Yes, my lord.
Because we are alive still. Then this matter is adjourned to the 11th day of June 2026 for a conclusive trial. All the two witnesses are ordered to be present on that day.
As court
As
pleases.
court.
My lord,
Yes.
We're
that will
very
be all
grateful.
for the day.
Oh, that will be all for the day. Okay, thank you very much,
Yes, my
gentlemen.
lord.
Yeah,
I
Thank you, my
wish you
lord.
all a very nice day ahead. Have a nice day.
thank you,
Thank
Good
sir.
afternoon, my lord.
Good afternoon. Folami, how are you?
Yeah, right.
I'm fine, thank you.
That is a tall, short man.
All right.
I don't know. I don't know.